Feeling sleepy during Amritvela? Let's fix that with a few simple spiritual hacks. We all know Amritvela, those sacred hours before dawn, are the most powerful time for Bhajan Simran. But often, when we sit to meditate, sleep takes over. The eyes close, the mind drifts. Here are 3 simple ways to stay awake and connected. Keycap 1. Eat early and light. Finish dinner by 7 p.m. A light stomach helps an alert mind. Keycap 2. Sleep by 10 p.m. So waking up at 2 or 3 a.m. becomes natural. Keycap 3. Freshen up before sitting. Wash your face, take a quick bath, or chant a small prayer to awaken awareness. And most importantly, remind yourself, this is the time to meet my beloved Lord. When love awakens, sleep disappears. Follow Ruhani Vichar, thoughts that transform the soul, for more spiritual insights and practical tips for seekers. Radha